Today I will show you how to make this very easy and pretty clay tribal mask pendant. Hi, I'm Jwellery from hookedinloops.com. I make various kind of crafts in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. I have used air dry clay of the brand Fevicryl Mouldit. We will take equal quantity of the resin base and the hardener and mix them in this manner until the mixture is completely white and uniform and it is ready. We will place it on top of a plastic sheet and roll it out using a roller. In this manner, spread some powder. In that case, the clay will not stick to the surface, and then roll it out in this manner to make it just flat. We will then cut it out into a narrow oval shape, just in the shape of a tribal mask like this. Just give a rough outline at first and remove the extra portion of the clay in this manner. We will now smoothen the surface as well as the edges using our finger in this manner by pressing it. We will use little portion of water in the fingertip and keep giving the shape in this manner and make the surface and the edges smooth. So the oval shaped portion of the face is ready. Just make sure you take just little quantity of water to smoothen the surface and the edges, otherwise it will become muddy. Take a pointed object and make a hole at the top portion through which you will be passing the cord. Now we will take small portion of clay and roll it out into thin rope like shape and give various designs to the tribal mask. We are placing the nose. Now we will take small portion of the clay and make the lips in this manner. The clay is freshly prepared, so you do not require any glue for sticking the clay pieces on top of the face. In this manner, we will make the face of the tribal mask. You can follow the same design as I have done. It's super easy and the end result is also classy. We will make the impression for the eyes in this manner. Just make a hollow type of impression on top of the face. Now we will give the eye shape. Just make the thin clay piece in this manner. Place the eyeball. Give the shape of the eyes using clay tool. Give the top portion of the eyes in the same manner as earlier. We will now place a leaf at the forehead portion and decorate the sides with small piece of clay ropes. Make them thin enough, okay? In this manner. Give the detailings. The mask is nearly ready. Give the leaf impression with the help of your clay tool or any pointed object. And the eyes are also completed. Now the mask is now completely ready. The tribal face is not a flat face. So after the detailings are completed, we will take a cylindrical surface just like this and cover it up with a paper and place our mask on top of it to give it a cylindrical type of shape. Okay, we will let it dry for at least 3 to 4 hours. It will harden up and dry up completely. and it is ready. So it has hardened up and our mask shape is completely ready. We will paint it completely white with the white colored acrylic paint. It will act as a primer for the paint you will be adding later on, and then we will just let it dry. After the white color has dried up, we will start painting our mask. Now the base of the face is completely black, as you must have seen in various art channels. Okay, so we will paint the face black, and then we will start painting different parts of the face with our own desirable colors. I painted the lips red. Now we will be painting the other parts of the face based on our imagination, and I will meet you at the end of the painting. So our painting is nearly completed. We will just let it dry after our finishings, and then we will add a layer of wood gloss on top of it. I have used a dendrite wood shine wood gloss, so it has given it a glossy effect. Now we are making the cord. So we will take a cord, fold it into halves and tie a knot at the end. Pass the cord through the hole and pass the other end of the cord through this loop in this manner, and the cord has been passed through the hole, and the necklace is now finally ready. I kept it simple, and it's simple as well as classy. You can carry this with any western as well as traditional attire. I hope you liked this tutorial and you liked this design. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will make those for you. And thank you and have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel.